Hello everybody. Welcome back to Snowflake Learning. In this video, we are going to explore how to view the history of data loaded into tables using the copy into command in Snowflake. There are times when you may want to track what files have been loaded, when they were loaded, how many rows were processed, or whether any errors occurred. Fortunately, Snowflake provides built-in views to help us monitor this activity. Let us begin with the information schema. For each database in your Snowflake account, there is an associated information schema. If you expand your database, for example demo_db, and then expand information_schema, you will see a variety of system views. One of these views is called load_history. You can query this view to see detailed information about the data loads that have occurred within that specific database. It includes the schema name, the table name, the file name that was loaded, the time of the last load, the number of rows loaded, any errors encountered during the load. This view is useful when you want to understand the loading activity at the database level. However, it only includes data for the current instance of the table. If the table has been dropped and recreated with the same name, the history from the previous version will not be visible here. To view global history, including across dropped and recreated tables, you can use a second approach. This involves accessing the account_usage schema inside the built-in Snowflake database. Within Snowflake.account_usage, you will find another load_history view. This view provides a global audit of copy into activity across your entire account. What makes this view especially useful is the inclusion of a field called table_ID. This identifier is globally unique and does not change, even if a table is renamed. If you drop and recreate a table with the same name, it will receive a new table_ID. This allows you to distinguish between different instances of the same name table and view their separate histories. You can query this view to find which files were loaded, when they were loaded, the status of each load, how many rows were loaded, how many errors occurred, the full audit trail, even if the table was recreated. You can also apply filters to narrow down the results. For example, you can filter by table name, such as sales. You can filter by schema name, such as demo_schema. You can filter for only rows where the error count is greater than 0, which helps you identify problematic files. You can filter by date, like this, which retrieves records loaded before yesterday. This is especially useful when tables have been recreated multiple times, and you need to trace the complete data load activity across all versions of the table. To summarize, use load history in information schema to view load activity for the current version of a table in a specific database. Use load history in Snowflake database for a global view, including all versions of the table, across your entire Snowflake account. Both views help you audit loads, investigate issues, and monitor data quality over time. This approach gives you full visibility into your data pipelines, and helps ensure the integrity of your loading process. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials on Snowflake, data engineering, and cloud data platforms.